I'm not a morning person, or I wasn't a morning person, and when I took it early in the morning, 5 to 10 minutes, it just made me wake up. So that was exciting for me because I knew something was changing. I just didn't know it was my vitamins just yet. That was it for me. When people started noticing my attitude change and my happy demeanor, I knew it was something more than just vitamins. It was something that was going to just change my health. I lost about 20 pounds since I started. Not only that, it's just physically, I feel better. Mentally, like mental clarity was a real thing. I didn't know what that was when I read the description, but it's a real thing. It's like a cloud lifted off your eyes. You don't forget things when you're walking into a room. You just feel good. And until I started taking care of my health, I saw the clearer picture as where I wanted to help everyone else in my life too.